Hello guys, here we are in the third part of this course, which is the secret to catch low risk, high reward trades. In the first part we are going to see strategy plan that I am using in my trading in daily basis. So the first thing, you have to retrace major support and resistance in the daily time frame. In this plan, you have to apply it by steps. You don't have to burn steps or to begin in the middle of at the end, because it will be very dangerous. So I advise you to apply this plan as I'm showing you right now in this slideshow. So you have to go step by step. So the first thing that you have to do when you open up your trading platform and load your template, so you have to retrace major support and resistance in the daily time frame. The second thing is identify the trend direction in the H1 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the first step, you have to retrace support and resistance in the daily time frame. The second is identify the trend direction in the early time frame. So the third thing is you have to confirm if the market is trending or correcting. So let's suppose that the market in the 1 hour is trending up. It's in an uptrend. So you have here to confirm it if it is still trending or it's in a correcting phase. So we have to confirm that in M50 time frame, 15 minutes time frame. So if the market is trending or if the market is correcting, so you have to confirm that in the M50 time frame. You have to confirm if the market is at time frame M50 it's synchronized to H1, to the trend, or is correcting. So if the market is trending, you have to be aggressive in money management, like reinforce your positions. If the market is correcting, you have to be careful and take profits quickly without reinforcing position. Let me explain you this. So suppose it we have an uptrend in H1 time frame. We have to switch to M50 time frame to confirm if the trend, if the market at M50 time frame is also in an uptrend or is in a downtrend. So if it is in an uptrend, so the market is trending. So if the market in the time frame M50 is downtrend or in ranging, so the market is correcting. Okay, this is how you have to define the type of market. I personally prefer the trending because you have a lot of opportunities, and in a trending market you can let run your profit and also reinforce your position. But in a correcting market you have to be very careful and very focused and very quick in entry and exit. I will advise you also to not reinforce position when the market is correcting. Okay, we are going to explain that very good in the platform, in the chart, in the real chart. So this is just a plan for you guys to know how I'm trading, how I'm analyzing all that stuffs. So let's see the next step. So the next step is applying the secret that we are going to see in next chapters. So the secret will help you to catch the biggest movements of the day. Okay, because in the daily basis there is some currency pairs that progress very good, and others that progress in at the same direction of the first one, but it's not a large movement. So with this secret, I will teach you how to catch the biggest movements of the day. This secret also will help you to catch best entry with low risk. Also, it will help you to optimize trade exit. So for example, you opened a trade. When you applying this secret, you will be able to know exactly where you will take your profit and exit your trade. Okay, that's it for this chapter. I hope you guys understood very good this chapter, and see you soon.